Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing issue. So without any further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, you should check that your app is fully updated. For this purpose, you have to go to the Google Play Store, and here at the top in the search bar, you simply have to search for Instagram. So to the right of Instagram, it will either says open or update. If it says open, it means that your app is totally up to date. If it says update, there's a need to update your app. So you need to update the app to remove any of the issues, lags or bugs that may have been present in the previous update. So please update your app. If updating your app does not work, we can go ahead and clear all the app data. So for this purpose, we'll exit this and open up the phone settings. Here we have to scroll down and click on app management. Then we have to click on app settings, and here we have to search for Instagram. After that, you have to click on storage and cache. Here at the bottom, you can see the option of clear storage. You simply have to clear this option. So go ahead and tap on it. If updating or clearing the app doesn't work, you'll need to contact Instagram about the issue. So for this purpose, you have to open up the Instagram app, and you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you have to go to settings. In this settings, you have to click on help. Then you have to click on report a problem, and then you can also report a problem by shaking your phone, but here I am selecting report problem without shaking. And here you can describe all the problems you are facing by using Instagram briefly, and you can also attach the screenshot. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.